How to log in to Walmart account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to log in to Walmart account. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Walmart application on your device. If you do not have the Walmart application, then you can easily download the application from your App Store or your Play Store, and once downloaded, launch the application. You will be led to this type of interface. You will also see the sign in button on the bottom center, so tap on that. You will then be asked to enter your email, so go ahead and enter a valid email address and now tap on the continue button. Now go ahead and enter your password and tap on the sign in button, and with this you will be signed in to Walmart. Just in case if you have forgotten your password, then you can also tap on the forgot password option and recover your password. Or you can also tap on the verification code will be sent to your phone number or your email address radio button, depending on whichever option is the best suited for you. I will select the verification code will be sent to my email radio button and further tap on the request verification code button. You will then receive a verification code, so go ahead and enter the verification code and tap on the sign in button, and with this you will be signed in to Walmart account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.